Asus Zenbook Duo is a revolutionary dual-screen laptop, with two full-size OLED touchscreens, one detachable full-size keyboard and built-in kickstand, expertly combining multitasking versatility with superb mobility. With dual 14-inch 3K OLED 120Hz displays, you can instantly expand your workspace to up to 19.8 inches. Outstanding performance is assured with up to an i-powered Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and 32GB LPDDR5X memory, plus up to a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Paired with dedicated smart software, intuitive gesture control and an enhanced lifespan 75 Wh battery, the easy-to-use Zenbook Duo maximizes productivity. Portable Duo. Compact with a big vision. Two stunning 14-inch Asus Lumina OLED touchscreens provide up to 19.8 inches of workspace, instantly all-in-one incredibly versatile, easily portable device. Processor Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 185H 2.3 GHz. Memory 32GB LPDDR5X on board. Storage 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Intel Arc graphics. Camera FHD camera with IR function to support Windows Hello. Built-in kickstand 40 degrees to 70 degrees viewing angle, adjustable height.